Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe. And today we are going to start the new topic, that is diary writing. Dear children, you have studied how to write the letters, paragraphs or message, notice and so on. And dear children, diary writing is little different from writing the letter or paragraphs. Clear? We write something private and personal in the diary. In diary, we write something private and personal, means related to ourselves. We also write our opinion on something. We mention our point of view on any topic in the diary. And today we'll study how to write diary, format of diary writing, the characteristics of diary writing, and we usually write diary to whom? Diary to what reasons? Clear? So let's see, we usually write diaries to keep a record of different events in our life. Whatever events taking place in our life, we write in the diary. Confide means tell something in secret. Some things, some matters or events which we do not want to share with others, we can share with ourselves in the form of diary writing. Confess means to acknowledge having committed a wrong. As a confession, we write a diary. Suppose we have made any mistake and we want to have confession, we feel sorry for that, and to acknowledge having committed a wrong also we write a diary. Make a resolution, a firm decision about what we are going to do. People take resolutions or decisions in a new year, that what we are going to do. So, when we take the new resolutions or decisions in our life, that also we can mention in our diary. Judge an event in our own way. If we are witness to any event, we can judge, we can criticize it in our own way, what we feel about that event. So, our diary is supposed to be read only by us and not by anyone else. Diary is always personal and confidential. Only the person who writes diary can read it, not anybody else. Therefore, we can write about any event in our lives informally, frankly and honestly. As diary is the thing only the person who writes it can read, so we should be very frank, very honest, and in an informal way we can write a diary. Clear? So these are the points I told you. We usually write diaries to what reasons. And then let us see some characteristics of diary writing. Diary writing has a few characteristics. Here are the characteristics of a diary writing. It has the date, day and the place mentioned in it. When we write a diary, we should mention the day on which we are writing, the date on which we are writing and the place from where we are writing the diary. Then detailed personal observation and record should be mentioned in it. We should write in detail any observation or record of something or any event, we should write in detail. Autobiographical reflection related to a person's life. It should be autobiographical reflection, means the person who is writing autobiography, we know the person himself or herself writes about himself or herself. That is called autobiography. So, it is fully related to a person's life. Critical evaluation of events. when we want to criticize something, we want to make critical evaluation of any event, we can mention that in the diary. Then personal resolutions or decisions, when we take some firm decisions in our life, we take any resolution in our life, that also we can mention in the diary. It should be private information, only for the person who is writing a diary, not for others. And then honest opinion, you should write the diary very honestly, means whatever situation is taking place in your life, you should write exactly the same. Not unwanted things we should mention in the diary. Only the real things which took place in our life should be mentioned in that. So we should be very much honest and frank while writing the diary. And dear children, few more points we should keep in mind while writing the diary. Already I have told you the date, day and place should be mentioned in it. And at last, the name of the person also who is writing a diary should be mentioned in it. And then description may be detailed or telegraphic. It can be either detailed or in short, in any way as per the choice of the writer can be written. Entries should look like real and natural, very important thing. Entries, whatever diary we are writing, should look real and natural. Whatever happened exactly should be mentioned in that. One's own reaction to the situation should be made clear. Whatever is our reaction, whatever is the writer's opinion should be written very clearly. Entries should be full of living experiences, not monotonous. It should not be dull, boring. It should be based on the living experiences, on the exact experience, on the person's life experiences. It should be based on it. So all these we studied, how to write the diary, when to write, what are the characteristics, and what are the important points we should keep in mind while writing a diary. Another important thing is the format of diary writing. We have studied the format of message, we have studied the format of letter writing. Isn't it? The same way diary writing is also having a particular format. First of all, the headings of that format I will explain you. We should mention the date and then the place. Clear? Then we should leave one line. Then comes the time, at what the exact time should be mentioned. Clear? And then the opening of the diary, and then body of the diary writing, the entries we write, and at last writer's name. At last we mention the writer's name. Dear children, if I am writing the diary today's event, I am mentioning in the diary the exact day we should mention, exact date we should mention, and exact place we should mention, and the exact time, at what time we are writing a diary, that should be mentioned. If you are writing daytime or night time, the exact time should be mentioned. And then opening of the diary writing. Dear children, when we write the letters, we write the salutations, dear sir, dear madam, as we are writing this through diary itself. So the opening can be done in this way, dear diary. And then comes the body of the diary writing, whatever event or whatever experience we are going to share, that we write in that. And at last, the writer's name. Clear? The writer's name we mention at last. So this is the format of diary writing. As we have studied, dear children, that message notice we write inside the box. But this diary we do not write inside the box. Clear? As letters are not written inside the box, the same way diary is also not written inside the box. Which is, suppose this is the margin. We start from the margin side. First of all, we write the day. Today is Friday, for example. Friday. Clear? After day, we mention the date. Today is 22nd January 2021. Clear? After mentioning the date, we write the place. Gorakhpur. Clear? And then after writing the day, date and the place, we leave one line gap. Clear? One line space we leave. And then we mention the time. Clear? Whatever time we are writing the diary. Suppose before sleeping, we write the diary. Clear? The whole day's description we are writing, the time we mention. Clear? After mentioning the time, we again leave the line and we we write the opening line, that is Dear Diary we can mention. Got it? Then again we leave the line, one line gap we leave, and then we write the body of the diary. Clear? Whatever topic, whatever experience, whatever we want to mention in the diary, that we write in this body of the diary entry. And then again we leave line, and at last we write the name of the person who is writing a diary, ABC, XYZ, whoever writes the diary should mention his or her name. Clear? So this is the format of the diary writing. Day, date and the place. Then comes time, then comes the opening line, and then body of the diary, and at last name of the person who writes the diary. I hope it is clear to you how to write the diary. Thank you.